Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the underlying writer. Open a file or path and new file writer file. Append, where append controls overwrite versus append. Once done, wrap that file writer in a buffered writer to gain a buffer for fewer system calls and better performance. Make sure to handle I/O exception by throwing or catching it, and consider using a try with resources so streams close automatically. This reduces leaks and ensures buffers flush when the writer is closed. You should write in chunks to avoid many small writes. Call write string with larger strings or build via string builder. Use new line to add platform-specific line endings instead of \n. Once you need data persisted immediately, make sure to call flush, because buffered data stays in memory until flush or close. Also, check character encoding when wrapping output stream writer if you need UTF-8. Buffered writer itself doesn't set encoding. Make sure exceptions are handled around. You finish by closing the buffered writer, which flushes remaining buffered bytes to disk. Using try with resources is the safest way to guarantee this. If writing fails, check permissions, available disk space, and whether the writer or underlying stream was closed earlier. Make sure no concurrent writer holds the file lock. A key troubleshooting tip: if data is missing, call flush before closing to verify writes, and examine the caught I/O exception message and stack trace to identify the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.